Hey, what's up, Dentcoin holder? This is the latest update of Dentcoin, latest price prediction, latest technical analysis. Let's start this brand video. Kindly, before I get started this video, I have one request to subscribe this channel, and yes, also press the bell icon for videos notification. So thank you so much everyone who is subscribing our YouTube channel. My friend, as you can see, first of all, I'm going to show you the latest update, and after that, I freely get this coin. So as you can see, my brother, there is not big update available on Twitter, Google. So therefore, I already see it. This you can see it just an only way of updating the chain occur and the price. You can see here last 1 hour chain. You can see here just an only positive. Otherwise, you can see here the last 1 day, last 7 days. You can see all fails down. And the rank is, you can see here 144, and you can see here this time the price is 0.00384 USD dollar. So it's mean to this coin is also, my friend, in the current time they are positive, but absolutely, my friend, from last time they completely very badly fell down. So as you can see, especially in the start of this week, you can see here at the end of this month, May 28 to May 29, you can see here they completely fell down. So it's a very bad news. But after that, you can see, my friend, they completely go in the moon. Now they're starting moving upward now. So it's a really great news, my brother, my holder, my viewers. If you can see, your Dent coin after a very long time take a jump, but it's a very huge jump. But you know, especially the last month, they completely fell down, and the main reason is that to all crypto market is falls down, and the short-term investor, especially who invest for a 1 year, who invest for 2 months, they are starting selling it this month. So therefore, I think they're completely falls down. You can see here already, you see the last 1 month chart. So my brother, you know, after a long time they falls down, but absolutely you can see here they very badly falls down. You can see here this time just a very bad news, my friends, for all of you. But don't fear, my brother. You can see after this fails, they also take a very huge jump, and this month, in the start of month, every cryptocurrency falls down. But you can, you know, Dent is just an only unique coin to this starting moving upward in the start of month. So I think this will be gonna very good, and I hope they will make you a millionaire. So you need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope they will make you a millionaire. They will give you very good profit. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe, please.